Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Are you tired of boring furniture that lacks style and functionality? Well, say hello to the VASAGLE MAEZO collection. It's about to change the game. This amazing end table is part of a furniture line that features sleek designs, tapered legs, and smooth curved transitions, giving your home a mid-century modern touch. With its two-tier storage, you can place your favorite books or a beautiful flower vase on the spacious tabletop, and display your mementos on the lower shelf. The result is a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The table is made with quality particle board and thick legs, providing a stable and sturdy structure that can hold up to a significant amount of weight, giving you peace of mind. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's well reviewed, which is a testament to its quality and design. The quick assembly is also a major plus. It takes about 10 minutes to set up, and the clear instructions make it a breeze. The VASAGLE MAEZO collection is not just functional, but also space-saving and versatile. It can fit perfectly next to an armchair or couch, or even serve as a bedside table or plant stand. The LED lights add a modern touch, and the extra storage is perfect for keeping your living room clutter-free. Overall, this end table is a great addition to any home. It's stylish, functional, and easy to assemble, making it a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their living space. As always, links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.